English prepositional verbs. Go with.
That's a brilliant plan. I totally go with it.
Is he going with anyone? I heard he's been on a few dates with Maria. For this song, let's go with the piano instead of the guitar.
A sense of excitement goes with the start of any new journey.
From the menu, I decided to go with the chef's special.
This spicy dish goes best with a cold glass of water.
Your calm demeanor goes perfectly with your new professional role.
You guys go ahead to the party, and I'll go with Sarah later.
Does this toy go with the Happy Meal, or do I have to pay extra?
Don't overthink it. Sometimes it's best to just relax and go with the feeling.